How to fix Steam corrupted disk error. In order to fix corrupted disk error in Steam, you could follow these steps. There are a couple of different steps you could try. First of all, you want to verify game file. For that, launch Open Steam, go to the library tab, and next what you need to do is here, you simply want to make sure to go ahead and right click on the mouse and go ahead and click on properties. As you click on properties, then you want to make sure to go ahead and actually click or navigate to local files. Then you want to click on verify integrity of a game file, select the Steam, which will then replace any corrupted files, and that is how you could go ahead and make sure to change it. This way you'll be able to fix the issue. If the issue still persists on, what you also want to do is you will try cleaning downloaded cache. So here you want to simply go ahead and make sure to click on the Steam and go to the settings options. The next thing you want to do is download and make sure to click on clear cache, and as you've done it, so you will have successfully logged out, and that should be able to fix as well. If the issue still persists on, you also try restarting Steam on your computer, or else temporarily disable any sort of antivirus or installed to your device. That should be able to help. Despite that, if the issue still persists on, what you could also do is the next thing, you simply want to close this tab, right click on the mouse and go to open file location. Then you want to locate Steam, right click on the mouse and go to properties. When you go to properties, you want to come to compatibility tab. Make sure that run this program in a compatibility mode is selected, as well as run this program as an administrator. This is how it should be able to fix. If nothing works out, then the last alternative is to simply go ahead and uninstall Steam and reinstall it. That's going to help you out to fix the issue. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.